and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. Now, the holidays are approaching, so I wanted to give you guys a really sweet special recipe for this holiday season to add to your Thanksgiving menu. And today I'm showing you how to make pumpkin spice Reese cups. Yes, pumpkin spice Reese cups. And the infusion that I'm using today is infused coconut oil. The recipe also calls for honey, so you can use infused honey if you don't want to use or don't have infused coconut oil. And I promise you, this recipe will be really quick and easy. And just so you know, I make all of my infusions in the Hello High Ultra Infuser, even my honey, my oils, my butter, and even my tincture. So you can go ahead and pick you one up on Amazon.com. It's on sale now. You can pick one up on HelloHighCooks.com. It's on sale. And I also offer bundle deals that include the candy molds and the cookie cutters and the spatula sets. So pick you one up and leave a review and you will have all of the perfect infusions. So let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need peanut butter, chocolate morsels, cocoa powder, honey, pumpkin spice, vanilla extract, sea salt, and that good old infused coconut oil. Now for this recipe, I found these cute silicone cupcake liners on Amazon and I paid about $6.99 for 12 of them, and I will make sure I leave that link below. Now insert each liner into the cupcake tin and then set them aside.